It's Jasper. Today I'm doing a review on the Air Raiders Discovery drone. It's a great little drone, very tough. This is the drone itself. It's got two green props and two black ones. It's got a nice base. We use this so we don't damage it as much. It's a very small remote, actually one of the smallest I've ever used, but it's very comfortable. Right, let's get into the flight. And this is, before we do the flight, I'll show you the box. This is the box it came in. It was a €32, but we got a discount for €20. We bought it at Blocker. And it is a 4-channel one and a li-poly battery. It does gyro stabilizer and an auto looping one. Very nice drone. Let's get into the flight. When you turn it on, make sure you always turn the remote on first. Then you plug in this. Now it is on. You just flick this up. That gets the remote set to the clear red light. Now let's fly it. I'll show you guys a flip. It can do more rides. Sorry about that, but it still landed. That was a little crash, but it doesn't do any damage. Very tough. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.